What's up, me? It's your Chris back with another video. Right now we're on our way to Culver's.
And it's me, Caleb.
And Kelly. But yeah, basically we're on our way to Culver's and I'm really hungry, so hopefully we get there soon.
Give me that
So we got our food. Oh Lord. Feels like it's getting ready to rain.
Papa, thunder.
Huh?
No, that wasn't thunder, Caleb.
Huh?
That wasn't thunder.
Weather.
Yeah, that's not thunder, Caleb.
That is non-passive. What is it? What?
Yeah, we're gonna eat our food, guys.
Yeah, because it.
Guys, so it is currently pouring outside, like I thought it would. And this is actually the second time we've gone to Culver's in pouring rain. And I knew this was going to happen once it started raining, so
Rain.
yeah.
I hate rain.
You hate rain, Campbell?
We got our ice cream and yeah. Here.
Are you finished?
Yes. There you go.